What up, y'all? How y'all doing? I am One Sir Grove, the host of this show, which is C4CW casting 495 celebrities worldwide. If you are true fans of this show, then we 495 most certainly appreciate you. I said if you are true fans of this show, then we 495 as a whole most certainly appreciate you. And I mean that. So yeah, man, if you followed this show, I haven't podcast for a while. I've been busy. I have been busy. Yeah, and I'm on a different platform. I'm on a different platform than I had been, kind of, sort of. I mean, it's the same, but it's like a little different in terms of the software. So you might hear some like AC blowing in the background. Like, it's a different setup that I have right now. I have it structured a little bit differently, and I did a little test to see what it sounds like with this new arrangement. And I heard some background, some rumbling, and like the AC vent and all that kind of shit. And I make no apologies because, you know, that's how the podcast was before. But I think now, if I'm not mistaken, the way I have this set up today, by the way, for anyone who wants to fucking know, it is No, it's not. It's 6 June. That's the number after 5. It's the 6th of June in the year 2021. Woohoo! Yeah! So, topics, man. I know it's been like a month, right? Like, I haven't fucking podcasted in like a month. I had to upgrade. I'm not talking about the overall, like, quality of the show, but I had to update, data storage because I have a tremendous amount of it. And so I stepped up the program despite the I would say probably tick down in overall sound quality. I don't know, man. Like, if I'm not like, okay, so this is a mobile podcast and it's picking up, I'm guessing a lot of some would say ambient, a lot of ambience, a lot of ambient sound, background, terrestrial, shit, you can hear the fucking cicadas, right? East Coast shit, man. Anyway, yeah, I've just been listening to a lot of talk radio myself, man. While I wasn't podcasting, I've been listening to a lot of Larry O'Connor, Chris Plant, like a lot of Chris Plant, a lot of Larry O'Connor, a lot of Mark Levin, obviously Mark Levin, and everyone on EIB, the EIB network, you know, RIP Rush Limbaugh, they still play Rush Limbaugh as if he's still with us, which spiritually he is. So I'm still listening to Rush Limbaugh and Todd Herman and Ken Matthews and everyone on the network. So, I mean, you know, I'm saying the conservative talk news network. And Ben Shapiro, you name it. Like the whole list of the whole roster. So, John Batchelor, I mean, it goes on. And there are so many. And I listen to all of them. And they've been covering the stuff that I want to talk about. So that's why I haven't been on podcast, because they have been doing it so well. And I think Mark Levin said that his show, like, wait, who? No, don't quote me on that. But like Newsmax, basically what I'm trying to say is the conservative news network, like in the U.S., like the United States-based conservative platform, has come to rival that of CNN. CNN, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do, CNN lost like 71 plus of percent of its audience. CNN did fall. It really did. It's not that we're talking about it and saying in the future we hope that CNN collapses. CNN actually did collapse. It really did. It really fucking truly absolutely fucking most certainly happened. And so now CNN is scrambling to try to figure out what to do because it killed itself. It destroyed its own audience. It is politically fucking virtually dead. Like, for real. I mean, man, how long can a piece of shit, fucked up, fake news speaker box, loudspeaker, megaphone, megahorn, like like the former Soviet Union, like North Korea, like the commie countries, how long could it fucking exist doing the shit that it was doing, lying to people? I mean, humans at some point wake up out of the spell. Like, the spell doesn't last forever, and when people realize that they've been fucking lied to, man, and they've been deceived for all these years, I mean, it's game over for those motherfuckers. So anyway, CNN's dead. 70% of its fucking audience is gone, so that's a dead-ass network, man. And the conservative news networks have come to rise above